Hi, Teacher Mary again here. I'm at my sit spot. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I have been sitting here at the base of this waterfall for about 5 minutes, and I've been surrounded by birds. Chickadees and yellow-rumped warblers. They're like little fairies of the woods. And you will never believe what I found here at my sit spot. Look at these. I wonder if the birds left these for me. Something very special about these books. I'd like to tell you a story. Long ago, when the first people lived in this land, they became very close friends with all of the plants and the animals. The plants and the animals taught the people many, many useful things. They worked together to live and enjoy life. And over time, all of the things that the people learned were passed down to the children by way of stories. And this way, the children would know all they needed to know about their plant and animal friends so that they could live in harmony and survive. They would know which plants to eat, which plants were poisonous. They would know all about their bird, their mammal, amphibian friends, their reptile friends. And all of that information was gathered and put in these books. These books hold all the knowledge of the plants and the animals. They're field guides. And this one right here, it says National Audubon Society Field Guide to Reptiles and Amphibians. And that salamander that we found just a little while ago, that is an amphibian. One of the fun things about field guides is that they are loaded with pictures. They're so fun to look through. Now I'm hoping as we look through this field guide that we will be able to find a picture of the salamander that we saw to help identify it and find out what its name is. Right here I see the spotted salamander. I was fortunate enough this spring, maybe about 3 or 4 weeks ago, to help guide these salamanders across the road in Berlin so that they would safely make it to their vernal pools to lay their eggs. But that is not the salamander that we found yesterday. Let's see if we can find it. Let's look on these pages. I'm remembering that the salamander that we saw yesterday has a reddish-orange stripe down its back, and its sides are a dark chocolatey brown. It doesn't match any of these salamanders. Let's keep looking. No? It looks similar to that one, but not quite. This one looks like its side is a little bit lighter. But here on this page, let's look at all 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see one that matches the salamander that we found? I'm noticing that many of these have an orangish-red stripe down their back. And I'm also noticing that the shape of this, it's sort of curled, looks very similar to how we found the salamander a little while ago. And I do believe that this one right here is the best match. And that salamander is called a red-backed salamander. So now we know. That friend we found was a red-backed salamander. And another fun thing about field guides is that in addition to pictures, there's lots of information about them. So I see that right here on page 336, we can find more information about these friends. go. I'll read just a little bit. So it says, the red-backed has survived in glaciated areas of northeast United States and southeast Canada. Glaciated. That is a fancy word. That is a word that means where glaciers used to be. During the day, it hides under stones or woodland debris. At night, it searches amidst moist leaf litter for tiny invertebrates. Invertebrates! That's another fancy science word. It looks for little bugs. During warm spells, in winter, it may be found at the surface. In dry weather, it retreats underground and only surfaces after rainstorms. So it sounds like this friend likes to be moist to keep its skin moist. Oh, thank you, Field Guide. These are very handy books. Well, thank you all for joining me on our adventure to find a salamander, and thank you for joining me in getting to know field guides.